What if my teen isn't going to talk during therapy? Hi, my name's Catherine. I'm a clinician with Mindful Healing. This is a concern that we get a lot. It's nothing we haven't seen before, but a lot of parents are really worried that their teen isn't going to talk in therapy and therefore isn't going to get anything out of it. And in response to this, I like to note two things. The first is that as a teen practice that specializes in working with teens, this isn't a reaction we haven't had before. In fact, every therapist here has had a teen who wouldn't talk to them at first. But just because someone isn't willing to talk doesn't mean that therapy won't be beneficial. Sometimes just the act of going and the consistency of having someone there to hear them, even if they're not ready to talk yet, can make a big difference. Over time, that can transform into a really wonderful relationship. The other thing is, most of the time, therapists are trained for this. We know how to get someone to start talking, even if they're not really sure what they want to say. Over time, that relationship can be built. It just takes some patience. So, it's possible that your teen comes in and doesn't talk during therapy for a session or 2 or 5. But that doesn't mean that they aren't participating in what may be the most important step for them, which is just going. That just means they have one more step they have to do before they start benefiting from it. And over time, those relationships can end up being the most rewarding and the most successful therapeutic relationships. So if you're concerned that your teen won't talk during therapy, I would encourage you not to let that stop you from bringing them if you really think they could benefit from therapy, because at the end of the day, they'll probably start talking eventually. If you have more questions about bringing your teen to therapy, please feel free to reach out to Mindful Healing. Thanks.